Here we have a 2022 Barletta 22QC Tri-Toon. White opal in color, does have the doggy dock view doors, so from the inside, if you have a dog, it can see out. Armrests in the front for lounging. Movable cup holders, so this cup holder here comes out and you can put it between the seats. I'll show you in the back, we have one back there. Dual captain's chairs, nice two-tone interior. Cell phone chargers. Those captain's chairs recline, swivel, move forward and back. Has a Lowrance hook, tilt steering, Bluetooth stereo. Real nice setup, rated for 12 passengers. That's a table there that pops up. Side gate. Does have doggy dishes if you have a dog, or you can use it as a glove box. Real big in-floor storage. There's that cup holder. You can move it around. You can put it in the side there or put it between the seats. You got to get the canvas on the bimini yet, and comes with a full cover and a 150 horse Mercury. Nice deep 4-step stainless ladder. Stainless prop back there. Really nice setup on this one. Come check it out at SkipperBud's.